Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix slow charging on your Motorola Edge 60 Neo. So first, what are we gonna do is we're gonna go over into the settings, and here, as you guys can see, we need to open up the battery. It's right here. We want to go to charge boost, and as you guys can see, now we are safely boosting our charging speed. And what we can do is we can try plugging our USB-C cable in. Now once we plug it, as you guys can see, we got the turbo power connected, and that's how you guys can basically fix the charging. Now if it's still not working for you, what you guys want to do is go over and make sure that you swap your charging brick and a cable. Since no charger actually ships in a box with a phone, you want to go over and make sure that you enable this setting that I did, the charge boost. And after that, you should be able to see the notification that your turbo power has connected. You can also try and change the outlets. It's very important that you check the outlets, because if you do not check the outlets, then maybe the issue is on the electricity in your house or your work or anything else. So that's how you guys can easily fix slow charging on your Motorola Edge 60 Neo. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.